Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Cook For You presents Tuna Sweetcorn Sandwich. Take 1 tin of tuna fish. Open the tin. Drain the brine salted water from tuna fish can. Because it's kinda salty and it also makes the stuffing very runny. Discard salted water completely. Making sandwich stuffing. In a bowl, add all the remaining ingredients except your butter and bread. Take tin tuna fish. Add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. 1/3 cup of sweet corns. Add seasonings. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes. Handful of fresh cilantro parsley. Mix until everything is nicely combined. Take malted grain and seed sandwich bread slices. Apply generous amount of butter on bread slices. Now add your tuna corn mixture. Spread out the mixture evenly. Next, take 2 slices of bread and close the sandwiches. Cut your sandwich in the center with a knife. Voila! Your delicious tuna and sweet corn sandwiches are ready to enjoy. Repeat the same procedure for another one. Cut it as shown. Time to plate. Garnish, as per your choice. Perfect snack for breakfast or brunch. Do try this recipe at home and share your valuable feedback in comment section. You can also pack as you received in the store. Take cling film wrap. Place sandwiches. Wrap as shown. You can have them right now or chilled, it's up to you. Perfect snack for traveling. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.